Comparing two software options side by side. An AI voice continues from here. When comparing AccountEdge and NolaPro, pricing immediately highlights the contrast between structured subscription models and more flexible, tier-based accounting systems. AccountEdge uses a monthly pricing structure that scales based on deployment type and user needs. AccountEdge Pro starts at around $20 per month for a single user desktop installation, making it suitable for small businesses that want on-premise control without cloud dependency. For teams, AccountEdge Network Edition costs roughly $30 per month and supports multiple users on a local network. Businesses that prefer browser access can choose AccountEdge Hosted, which runs entirely in the cloud and starts at approximately $50 per month. All plans include core accounting tools, with pricing increasing primarily based on access method and user count rather than feature unlocks. NolaPro takes a very different approach to pricing, which will be discussed in more detail later, but at a glance, it offers both free and low-cost tiers, depending on deployment and business size. This contrast makes AccountEdge feel more predictable for budgeting, while NolaPro appeals to cost-sensitive users who want flexibility. Focusing on AccountEdge's feature set, it is a full-featured accounting solution designed for businesses that want traditional, professional bookkeeping tools. Core features include general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, inventory management, payroll processing, and time billing. AccountEdge supports multi-currency accounting, making it suitable for businesses that deal with international suppliers or customers. Financial reporting is robust, offering profit and loss statements, balance sheets, budgeting tools, job costing reports, and customizable financial summaries. One of AccountEdge's standout strengths is control. Desktop and network editions allow businesses to keep their data entirely on-premise, which appeals to organizations with strict data policies or unreliable internet access. User permissions are granular, allowing administrators to control access at a detailed level. AccountEdge also includes features like password protection, data backups, and a free accountant copy, which simplifies collaboration with external accountants without disrupting daily operations. However, AccountEdge is not without drawbacks. The interface feels more traditional and less modern compared to newer cloud-first platforms, which can increase the learning curve for beginners. Payroll features may require additional configuration depending on region, and businesses seeking fully automated tax filing may need integrations or add-ons. Cloud access through AccountEdge Hosted increases monthly costs, and long-term subscriptions can become expensive compared to one-time purchase software. Some users also report that setup and customization take time, particularly for inventory-heavy or service-based workflows. Overall, AccountEdge is best suited for businesses that prioritize control, detailed accounting functionality, and professional-grade reporting over automation and visual simplicity. Now shifting to NolaPro, this platform takes a very different approach compared to AccountEdge, both in structure and in pricing. NolaPro offers a genuinely flexible pricing model that ranges from completely free to low-cost monthly tiers, depending on business size and deployment needs. The single-user edition is free to download and use, designed for home businesses or solo operators running the software locally. This alone makes NolaPro one of the most accessible, full accounting systems on the market. For businesses that need cloud access or multi-user support, NolaPro introduces paid tiers. The starter edition is priced at approximately $6 per month and is aimed at small businesses that want web accessibility alongside local deployment. The enterprise and non-profit editions are typically priced around $12 per month, offering expanded functionality, multi-company support, and advanced reporting. Payroll is available as an add-on and is commonly priced at around $3 per employee per month, depending on the edition. For larger organizations, NolaPro ERP pricing is custom and requires direct contact with sales. Overall, NolaPro's pricing remains significantly lower than most subscription-based accounting platforms, especially when compared long-term. Feature-wise, NolaPro is far more powerful than its price suggests. It includes general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, billing, inventory management, point of sale, payroll, time tracking, order tracking, and multi-currency support. Higher tiers add bank transaction feeds, web access, data backups, and advanced financial reporting. NolaPro also supports multiple languages and international accounting requirements, making it suitable for businesses operating across borders. The modular design allows companies to enable only the components they actually need, keeping the system lean and efficient. One of NolaPro's biggest strengths is flexibility. Businesses can start with the free single-user version and gradually move into paid tiers as their needs grow, without being locked into expensive subscriptions. It works for for-profit businesses, non-profits, and fund-based organizations, which is rare at this price point. Customization options and deployment flexibility make it attractive to technically capable teams that want control over their accounting environment. However, there are trade-offs. NolaPro's interface feels dated and less intuitive than modern cloud-first platforms. Setup can be time-consuming, especially for inventory, payroll, and multi-company structures. Automation is limited compared to newer software, meaning more manual bookkeeping is required. Support quality varies by plan, and users on free tiers may experience slower response times. In terms of user feedback, AccountEdge has limited visibility on Trustpilot, with very few reviews available, so any rating should be interpreted cautiously. NolaPro appears on Capterra with a very high rating, but based on a small number of reviews. Because review volumes are low, ratings may not fully reflect the broader user experience. Always check the latest listings and read individual reviews before deciding. The final takeaway is straightforward. AccountEdge is ideal for businesses that want structured pricing, strong desktop or hosted options, and professional accounting depth. NolaPro is best for users who prioritize flexibility, low cost, and modular control, even if that means sacrificing interface polish and automation. Click the link below to explore both platforms, compare features in detail, and decide which one fits how you actually run your business. If this comparison helped clarify your choice, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and use the links below to access the software directly.